Good morning. It's November 25th. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. We hope that you all enjoyed the holidays, and so we thought that on this shortened session, we'd create a little video to give you an idea of how you can use trade ideas in different ways to feel the market, to capture more alpha. There's a lot of products out there that claim to be the best scanning products on the market. Of course, we believe that we certainly are the one, and we want to show you why. Again, notice that we view the market in a lot of different ways to help you see the most clear picture of what's happening. And we modify these layouts various times to show you how we change different setups, add functionality and features, and so I'm going to give you a quick overview of what you're seeing. On the very top in the middle, you see a market snapshot top list. And here what this allows me to do is I can kind of view the whole market by winners and losers. And in this case, I have them sorted by position and range for the day. So these are the elements that are closest to lows, these that are closest to highs. If I want to sort by what's up the most for the day, I can do that by simply any column can be sorted. If I want to sort by, for example, what's doing the best for 20 days, here's how I do it. What's doing the best for the year? Here's how I do it. You can add a lot of columns now that you weren't able to add before. So here, for example, I can see the relative strength of every element that I'm watching. And I can see that FAZ has the highest relative strength while the QQQs have the lowest relative strength. I can sort things by volume. FAS has the most. By percent change for the day. Again, similar. And this is just another way to view excuse me, another way to view the information, kind of like a watch list. But in this sense, it's a combination of a watch list and a top list window, because I have a limited symbol list right here, and it allows me to, again, see just exactly where and how everything is moving. So I liked my sort before for position and range, and again here I'm seeing what's the weakest going to the strongest, including, see, I can also see 15-minute RSI. A lot of information. Putting the 5, the 10, and the 20-day ranges together kind of give you this three-dimensional snapshot of really, again, where is the strength and where is the weakness. And you can see that the Qs, IWM, and TNA are all on lows of their 5, 10, and 20-day range, and TNA is getting close to the low of the year. Here's how much it was down or up yesterday. Over here is our Quanalytics window, and what this is, a real-time flowing heat map, but moving heat map of the market, where every type of intraday market high is color-coded and weighted, so that when you see the dark reds and the dark greens come across, it's the more heavier weighted events, and when you see the lighter greens and the lighter reds, it's the lighter events, and it gives you a feel of what's going on. As you watch it, you kind of get a sense of how the various tides are turning. At the bottom, I'm tracking the exact same things that I'm watching over here, but in alert format, so that I can kind of feel, and I don't need to see all of it, so I'm going to just shrink it down a little bit. But here, again, I can see, oh, gold just ran up 18 cents. The Qs just had a 25% pullback from the lows. Gold had a 10-minute low, but the Qs 2 minutes ago were on lows, so this little up move is what I would call a dead cat bounce, at least at this point in time. Notice again that I'm surrounding my real-time information with top list information, where I'm just watching all of the strength, TMV, R&R, IOC, PRE, SOX, S, and all in intraday and daily format, combined with all the weakness, Amazon, CF, Netflix, LinkedIn, USLV, kind of getting hit in terms of dollar terms, and on a percentage basis, you've got the JKS, TSL, USLV getting hit pretty hard. One of our most powerful complete, see those big waves of red right there? You can see that a sell program is hitting. That's what it looks like, in case you want to know. And if it keeps going, then you can kind of, again, feel the wave of it. Now, it's interspersed with green because you know what happens when a big sell program hits? Guess what goes up? This FAS, TZA. So it's not always going to be all red or all green. You see, again, interspersed bits of green popping into sell programs and vice versa buy programs. So on the right, I've got a stock specific multi-strategy window where you can see the messages and the various combined strategies that I'm looking at. See, these are all strategies that I'm looking at in one window. Unusual volume spikes, trading below support, 52-week highs and lows, resistance, all the moving averages, above and below the moving averages, upward high volume spike, downward spike, and the other ones. Unusually high options volume, trading down close to the lows of the day, all combined in one window. This allows me to have one place that's very specific, whereas otherwise I would have to have 20 windows open for each one of these. Every one of these in a previous version would have to be its own window, because the way the filters are set up, you would not be able to put them all together in one, because some filters are very specific for the downside, like position in range or percentage down or downward movements, and some are very specific for the upside. So the multi-strategy market view is one of the most powerful ways that you can view real-time analytics, and it's all right here. So we really do think that this is the kind of heads-up display that gives you the most pertinent, most important information about everything that's happening in the market right now. When you have this type of view, there is nothing that you are missing, because we're covering everything from the highest to the lowest in percentage, in dollar terms, overall market in the middle, and stock specific setups on the right. If you want to capture alpha, this is the most powerful alpha generation mechanism on the market today. We hope you enjoy your holidays, and we hope this video helped you see how we use trade ideas to help ourselves. Look at this right here. See that big sell program hitting? And you just saw it coming through. So again, enjoy your holidays, and we will see you very soon.